Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad V9, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, hold your power button. Select the power off. Now, I didn't want to say that when Google was showing up, as it would try to listen to me and do something. But when you see the Google thing, just ignore it. So, as you've seen, when you keep holding it, it just brings up the boot options. And once the tablet turns off, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And you're going to keep on holding it as long as it takes for the device to boot into the recovery mode. Now let go of the power button when the screen turns black, and then you can also let go of the volume up when you see the MagicOS recovery mode. Now in here you can select each option by just simply tapping on it. The reason I'm kind of saying this is because typically you have to use volume buttons and power button to navigate. Here you can just simply tap on them. Now we have restart, which brings us back to Android, clear data, which consists of wipe cache protection and factory reset, and I have update and save mode. Now that's everything that we have here, right here, so I'm gonna select restart. And like I mentioned, this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.